Amazfit has now launched the Amazfit GTR Mini smartwatch in the all-country. The Amazfit GTR Mini is built for those who want a good-looking smartwatch with a powerful set of features and specification. Let's check out what the new Max Power, Max Style smartwatch has to. Slim and stylish design with stainless steel. The Amazfit GTR Mini is a smartwatch with a slim and stylish design, featuring a stainless steel case that gives it a premium look and feel. It has a 1.2 inches AMOLED display with a resolution of 390 x 390 pixels, which offers sharp and clear visuals. The watch is lightweight and comfortable to wear, with a silicone strap that is soft and flexible. It comes in 3 different colors, black, pink, and white, so you can choose the one that suits your style best. Strong and accurate GPS tracking. The Amazfit GTR Mini is a budget-friendly smartwatch that features GPS tracking capability. The device is equipped with a highly accurate GPS sensor that can track your location and distance traveled during outdoor activities like running, hiking, or cycling. The GPS tracking on the Amazfit GTR Mini is strong and reliable, providing accurate data that you can use to analyze your performance and progress. The watch also has a built-in compass that can help you navigate during your outdoor adventures. 120+ sports modes and smart recognition. The Amazfit GTR Mini is a versatile smartwatch that offers over 120 sports modes, making it a great choice for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. The device is equipped with a variety of sensors that can accurately track your activity and provide detailed data on your performance. The watch also features smart recognition technology. This means you don't have to manually select a sport mode before you start your workout. The watch will automatically detect what you're doing and start tracking your activity. 24/7 heart rate, SPO₂ and stress monitoring. The Amazfit GTR Mini is a feature-packed smartwatch that offers a variety of health monitoring capabilities. One of the standout features of the watch is its 24/7 heart rate monitoring, which provides real-time data on your heart rate throughout the day. The watch uses advanced sensors to track your heart rate accurately, giving you a detailed overview of your cardiovascular health, in addition to heart rate monitoring. The Amazfit GTR Mini also offers SPO₂ monitoring, which measures the oxygen saturation levels in your blood. This feature is particularly useful for athletes who want to monitor their oxygen levels during intense workouts or at high altitudes. Maximize your sleep quality. The Amazfit GTR Mini is a smartwatch that can help you maximize your sleep quality. The watch is equipped with advanced sleep tracking features that can monitor your sleep patterns and provide insights into the quality and duration of your sleep. The watch uses a combination of sensors to track your sleep, including an accelerometer, which measures your movements during the night, and a heart rate sensor, which measures your heart rate variability. This data is then used to determine the different stages of your sleep, including light, deep, and REM sleep. 14-day battery life. The Amazfit GTR Mini is a smartwatch with a long battery life, which is one of its standout features. The watch is equipped with a 220 mAh battery that can last up to 14 days on a single charge, depending on usage. The long battery life of the Amazfit GTR Mini makes it an excellent choice for anyone who wants a smartwatch that can keep up with their active lifestyle. You can wear it all day and track your activity, sleep, and health without having to worry about running out of battery. 5 ATM waterproof. The watch has a 5 ATM rating, which means that it is water resistant up to a depth of 50 meters. This makes it a great choice for anyone who enjoys swimming, water sports, or other activities where the watch may come into contact with water. The watch's water-resistant capabilities mean that you can wear it in the shower, go for a swim, or participate in other water-based activities without having to worry about damaging the device. This makes the Amazfit GTR Mini an ideal fitness tracker for anyone who wants a device that can keep up with their active lifestyle.